Have you ever been in a situation where you just want to break shit or possibly just need a hug? Well, I can't help you with the second one of those, but the first one I can. Introducing trench clubs. They're super simple to make and very effective. First thing you need is something that works as a handle. It's just a chunk of shovel handle head laying around. Second, you're gonna need a weight. This is off my sister's truck. Don't tell her I have it. But you could also just use a piece of plumbing attachments or just, whatever you have laying around. Now I'm just gonna take your handle, file the end of it down until your weight fits. However, I will just use my belt sander as soon as I shut the camera off. Once you have everything filed to shape, you're gonna take your handsaw, just cut a slit down the middle of it so you can attach your little wedge. Okay, now you attach your little weight. Now I like to add just a dab of wood glue. Add your wedge. Then your other wedge. Again, this probably a bit overkill at this point. Okay, now I just filed a small handle into mine, kind of unnecessary, but it's making it a little more comfortable, and there you go. Nice trench club. Super simple. Never gets old. Also, don't try to hug me. That won't end well.